they are saying, what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? So, to understand this concept, let us demonstrate something. Here we have a tree at a height. Let us assume that it is holding a fruit. At this point, I'm considering like time is nothing but zero. Okay. And uh, pretty obvious, it's like hanging like on tree. So initial velocity would be nothing but 0 meter per second. A time came like just we started observing within a like minute, it's, right off. So at this point, I'm taking time as like 1 second, and now the velocity is 9.8 meter per second. Moving up with the next instant, now time is 2 second, velocity is 19.6 meter per second, and finally time is 3 second and velocity is something 29.4 meter per second. Okay. Did you observe something? When the object was like falling down, per second there was some increase, and if you check with respect to this, so you will be finding every second there was an increase of what? 9.8. So can we say that object was like accelerating per second? So there was per second there is an acceleration, right? By the value of what? 9.8 meter per second. By the value of what? 9.8 meter per second square. सो दिस इज लाइक ये डेली लाइफ के रिस्पेक्ट से जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है तो ईच एंड एवरी सेकेंड उसकी वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज होती है. ओके. सिमिलरली लेट्स से दिस इज अ बॉय प्लेइंग विद अ बॉल एंड इसने बॉल को कुछ ऊपर फेंका. एट दिस पॉइंट टाइम इज जीरो एंड ही हैज जस्ट थ्रोड दिस बॉल with the initial velocity of what? 19.6 meter per second. After 1 second, let's say it reaches somewhere over here. But what about velocity? इसकी velocity क्या हो गई है? 9.8 हो गई है. Then moving up with the next, after 2 seconds, इसकी velocity क्या हो गई है? 0 हो गई है. Again, did you observe something? Again, there is a difference of 9.8 only. But the thing is that इस बार increase नहीं हो रहा है, decrease हो रहा है. तो जब कोई चीज ऊपर से नीचे आती है, ओके, ये पॉजिटिवली एक्सेलरेट कर रहा है, दैट इज उसकी वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. एंड जब कोई चीज ऊपर जाती है तो वो नेगेटिवली एक्सेलरेट करता है, यानी कि उसकी वेलोसिटी क्या हो रही है? डिक्रीज हो रही है. क्लियर है? सो व्हाट इज ग्रेविटी का एक्सेलरेशन? चलो लेट्स आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. सो वी कैन आंसर आवर क्वेश्चन इन सच अ मैनर. इफ यू आर ड्रॉप अ बॉल फ्रॉम अ हाइट, it falls. As the time passes, its speed increases. And if you throw a ball upward, its speed would basically decrease till it reaches the highest point. And also, if you know that ball at an angle to the vertical, its direction of the motion also changes. So in all of these cases, जो velocity है ball की वो क्या हो रही है? Accelerate कर रही है. Okay. So you can say that if the gravity is the only force, आपने बाकी सारे फोर्स को क्या कर दिया? निग्लेक्ट कर दिया. सो ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक मूव विथ सेम एक्सेलरेशन नियर द सरफेस एरिया. एंड इसी एक्सेलरेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. Acceleration due to gravity is given by g is equals to capital G. Capital G is nothing but gravity का constant. Capital M क्या है? Mass of Earth. And capital R square is nothing but radius of Earth. So yes, where R is R की value है, radius of Earth is nothing but 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. Mass of Earth is nothing but 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. एंड जी जो है वो हमारा कितना है? 6.63 लाइक 6.67 ऑल्सो इट इज कंसिडर into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So when you're going to substitute all of these values, so you will get this answer, which is nothing but G is equals to 9.77 meter per second square. Which you can like usually हम क्या करते हैं? हम इसको अप्रॉक्स करके लेते हैं. ओके. इफ यू चेक विद दिस, तो हम इसको क्या करते हैं, वी टेक g एज लाइक 9.8। तो ये 9.8 कहाँ से आया, हमने बेसिकली क्या किया, इसको अप्रॉक्स किया है। ओके, सो वी हैव टेक द अप्रॉक्सीमेट वैल्यू ऑफ ग्रेविटी का एक्सेलरेशन, okay, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So you are supposed to go with this value, आपको ये value के साथ जाना है। okay, one more thing, sometime it is also given as like 10, like numerical में already ये mention होता है कि g is equals to nothing but 10 meter per second square. So in such cases, if they have given g is equals to 10 meter per second square, तो yes, you are supposed to go with this. But अगर नहीं mentioned है, so it is highly recommended कि you will be taking this as your value, that is 9.8 meter per second square. So I hope solution is clear. It is very simple. Acceleration due to gravity is nothing but जब कोई object ऊपर से नीचे गिरेगा, तो each and every second उसकी velocity increase होती है एक fixed value से, which is 9.8, okay, or approximately it is 10. I hope you are clear. Similarly, if it goes up, the velocity keep on decreasing because there is a deceleration, right? Or you can say retardation. So I hope you understand this concept. If you have any kind of doubt, so you can reach me like in comment section. Thank you.